In this video, I'm going to show you how to play audio out of your TV speakers and Bluetooth headphones at the same time on an LG TV. The model we're using for this demonstration is the C5 Series OLED, but it is going to be a similar process across their lineup. So the first thing you're going to do is hit the settings button on your remote. It's the one that looks like a little gear icon. And that's going to open up this menu, and then you're going to go up here and click on the gear again. From here, we're going to go down to sound, and we're going to go over to sound out, Bluetooth device plus TV speaker. And we're going to go down to use external speakers with TV speakers and click the center button of the directional pad. And then we're going to choose Bluetooth device plus TV speaker. And that's going to bring us into this next menu here. From here, you're going to have to put your headphones into pairing mode. And it does vary by brand, so make sure you check your instruction manual for your specific headphones for that one. And once they're in pairing mode, under connectable devices, they should pop up like they have here. And we're going to click on that one. And then it takes a second for everything to register. And now we can go down to next once that's available to click on. And now from here, you can adjust the Bluetooth speaker volume. So that's going to be the volume of your headphones. And to do that, you're just hitting left or right on the directional pad. And once you get that set, you want your headphones in to do this part to test how loud they're going to be. Once you have that set, you can go down to done. Don't worry if you need to change it. There's a way to do that, which I'll talk about in a second. But you click on done, and that's all there is to it. Now you have audio coming out of your Bluetooth headphones and your TV speakers at the same time. To adjust the TV speakers, you're just going to use the volume button on the remote. If you need to adjust the headphones again, you go back into the Bluetooth device plus TV speakers, and then you go down to Bluetooth speaker volume, and that's going to allow you to adjust it up and down again, should you ever have to control the volume of your Bluetooth headset just to make it easier to hear or lower the volume, whatever you need to do. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward, but if you bought your TV or your headphones from Apt, we do offer free lifetime technical support on all that stuff, so make sure you give us a call if you're still having trouble. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.